guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually just packing up some happy mail for my friend Christina, who is Bbzkraftz on Instagram. And I already showed a video of two of the 3D projects following Kristians tutorials. It's this little like 3D sewing machine. So on the inside, because it wasn't filled in my other video, I just have some blank shaker lime green stars with just one sequin in there, so not like a mix, but just little ghosties. Those are from AliExpress, and I think it looks so cute like that because it stands out. So there's a couple of those in there, and then there's a typewriter as well. And I only had gold for the handles for this thing, so I just left it off because the gold does not go with the silver, like all silver that I was going for. This drawer, oh my gosh, this drawer is so tight. I have little phones, shaker phones, embellishments, and then in this I did the thread from Joann's, the Gutermann, and then I just did these little like clear plastic bobbins from AliExpress, and then the little plastic things are also from AliExpress. I did the same thing for Crystal with the Halloween threads. So there's the sewing machine. Next was this thing, and now that it's filled, I have no clue what's going on, but it's not laying center. It's almost like the magnet moved somehow because it's like fighting itself to line up. But this is following Kristians tutorial. On the side I just put these little pink vellum envelopes, just put a little sticker and put them on the side because these pockets are not very big, and did some die cut words in lime green, and then the other side is black and hollow. And then on the inside, another tiny little pocket with this little guy. That's a die from Andy's store. And then these are some Halloween embellishments using that bubblegum die, which was a tricky die because there was no back piece for the acetate. So I don't know how girls have been doing it. You're gonna have to fussy cut the acetate or something. But I got the little drip and the little candy pieces inside. The little words are from Bbzkraftz. These little like candy die cuts were gifted to me, and then I just glued some ring spiders on there and stitched those guys. And then next are these guys. These got like little Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. It has these little like Halloween tassels and these little Halloween gummy bears, so I got those. And then I did some AliExpress like holographic star tulle in the background. The Dollar Tree pumpkin stickers, so cute. Some of the stars that I gifted her, that's the same thing in the background. A rosette that Lori Creating for Fun made, some tulle, some sequins glued on there, and little spiders. These are cupcake picks from Michael's this year, this little hollow cat thing, and you just rip the stick part out. These little spider webs, and it's all backed on a haunted house. It's hard to see. And this one is pretty identical. I just changed the thicker part. And I did use this collection from Simple Stories. The entire swap I did is this Spooky Nights by Simple Stories. There's absolutely no pink, but I added pink to my entire project to just, I don't know, I felt like it made it look cuter with all the pink in there. So that's why you see all the hot pink throughout, or if you're wondering what collection, I did, you know, hot pink accessories on everything. Creative Mojo spiders, so creepy. Next I did another sticker box. I used those rub-on stickers, say trick or treat and hooray for Halloween. And then you just pull this. This is my third sticker box. So fun using that collection. And I did a little shaker ghost on the top, and it has Happy Mail stickers. This, I just sewed a little pocket. What's in this? Oh, there's some trim and some vintage trim I purchased, and then stickers. And I just decorated with a bunch of die cuts that were gifted to me. Literally, this was just gifted to me the other day by Gail. So cute. And then these little stars, you know, Halloween and stars go together. Next is this little acetate box from Hobby Lobby. I have a bunch of cotton candy embellishments. I don't think I have any out. Oh wait, they're super tiny like this. This is a dud, but they're decorated like this. Some are blank, some have sequins on them and stuff, so she can, you know, do as she pleases. And just wrapped it in some fun trim. Next is this. I kind of made a little like pizza box. I used some of the Target little ghosty stickers. I stitched the chipboard. This is a cupcake stick. I just ripped the stick part out. Did some gauze and some Joann's trim. I made this little box just so that the wire wrap beads wouldn't pop out. I did add a magnet so it stays closed. And this used to hold some eyelets, and I just stuck a bunch of fun wire wrapped beads. I couldn't find lime green beads basically anywhere, so I only have a couple of random green beads in there. But these are all wire wrapped beads. A little spider bead. Fun little glass beads from Joann's this year. And then next is this little guy. This is actually a little egg, like an Easter egg with a sequin mix in it. And it says trick or treat yourself. These little tags are from Walmart this year. Super cute little wood tag. I followed Brittany, who is Bbzkraftz tutorial, and hers was I forgot what she called it, but mine ended up turning into a purse because I don't know if I measured wrong. I couldn't get it right, and it didn't look right. So I ended up putting a flap the other way around, and it turned kind of into a clutch. So I don't know. I just put this is supposed to go like this, and it did not look right whatsoever. So I improvised and put Velcro and just did it like this. I just left the purse basically pink. Decorated the front. Tina gifted me this embellishment. I just added some stickers and then this ghosty and stuff behind it. Super cute because she used the collection, the same exact collection that I was using. And then I added a little chunky charm dangle, some, who did I haul these from? A Secret Stash Bash, I forgot what the name is. And then these little beads, just added them, candy corns and stuff. These are from AliExpress. This is from Walmart. It's a little ornament, like a Halloween ornament. This black chain is from Hobby Lobby this year. I think it might be last year too. And then again, I had to improvise because it had a little handle right here and I had to rip the handle off. It was just, yeah, added some chain and I was able to make it work. So on the inside, I just did some of that Dollar Tree, it's like washi tape. I don't know what it is. It's ribbon that's sticky. Michelle gifted that to me, and then I did some of the rub-on stickers on all the little pockets because I couldn't make this any thicker. I was just having all sorts of, I was not on my game that day or something. And I have a bunch of shaker embellishments. So star, boo bag topper, little like potion bottle, and another one of those little telephones. By these little guys, I did typewriter. They're like little shaker typewriters. These are new from Andy's store, and they fit perfect in these little pockets. Gone Batty and Happy Halloween. Oh, cute little purse. And this is one of those Target like boo drink bags. I just added this like fun little plasticky spider web, and then I made this little cloche is from AliExpress. I just cut up some of the Dollar Tree bones and stuck like his hands and feet in there, made it look creepy, created a mojo tassel, and I used this fun trim from Etsy. It just reminds me of like candy corn with some black. It's like a fuzzy fun trim, tied a little bow, and inside I have an embellishment tube that I made some mini dangles. You know, sometimes it's like when you get too big of a dangle, you don't want to use it and you just want to hoard it because you're like, well, I can't use this. So I made 4 of them of the same exact little dangle that she can just, you know, hook onto a project. Say she makes a purse, she could just hook it on and then still have a bunch more so she can use them, you know. This is actually, oh, these are socks. I just reused a bag that I got in a group swap hosted by Larissa. This was her little baggie, and I was like, oh, this is so cute. Cannot throw it away, so I reused it. Embellishments, I used this little bag, bow topper, little like bead for the center. This is the popsicle shaker, and then this is the candy apple and orange. And I backed it on that like mylar, like pink acetate. Next is this little candy thing I made, and I just added this little charm from Allie, the little bead. This is from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, this cute little pumpkin. And the cat, actually the heart was red. I just filled it in with my Nuvo crystal thing to make it orange. And then this was gifted by Marissa. She was in my group that Larissa hosted, and this was on a candy box. Like, well, obviously I ate the candy, but I wanted to keep the embellishment that was on it, and I kept it, and it was just perfect for this little candy pouch. And it's little handmade with love stickers. It says, I'm 100% that witch, and then it has Bbzkraftz and the little like witch boots. This one I did a little bag topper. I stitched it, add some Etsy trim, this like holy cloth stuff. I did these 3 die cuts were gifted to me. I just layered a haunted house, the witch, this trick or treat, so cute. And then I added like a little bling spider and a little sticker pumpkin. And I did the cloches in a lime green, you can't even tell on this paper, lime green paper with a bluish green acetate overlay on top of it just to make it look creepy with some holographic slime. And I used the puffy stickers from this collection. So I'm gonna group these together. Oops. Let's see here. Oh, probably forgetting stuff. Oh yeah, there's a cup. I also got her a cup. I actually went to Arizona a couple weekends ago. Yes, 2 weekends ago. And there was like a little craft market fair. And I saw this like spooky cup and just had to get it. It's Friends, but it has all the Halloween characters. So awesome. And creepy. It's like, it has like blood fingerprints on it. Creepy, but I know she'll love it. She could put her drink in here. So yeah, that is everything. I will leave Christina's information down below. I'm sure she'll have an unboxing as well. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.